going on, everyone? Nick at MarineMax Nisswa here today. We're looking at a 2026 Barletta Lusso 25 UC. So you got that ultra lounger here in the back. This is a really comfortable spot to hang out. This can flip in either direction. Also lays completely flat around the back here. You can also tilt these guys up. So now we are facing forward towards the midship. We also have the dual Simrads here at the helm that's backlit with the RGB lights that you can see going on in the boat right now. You got this really nice custom stitched steering wheel along with the Barletta emblem there at the center. Digital throttle and ship on our Mercury 350 V10. So you got that 10-cylinder engine, gonna be ripping on the water. Got that center tune storage, the nice table that Barletta is known for, right in front of the co-captain's seat. One of my favorite things about a 25-foot pontoon is that we get these nice long loungers here in the front. We've also got these armrests here as well too, making it very comfortable as we're facing forward, cruising down the lake. You can check out this boat on our website, MarineMax.com, or stop at our Nisswa location, see it for yourself.